Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. It is Monday, Memorial Day, 9:30 a.m. Happy Memorial Day to my U.S. Followers, and a special shout out to anybody who has served in the armed forces. I really appreciate your service, and thank you very much. All right, so we're going to do a Bitcoin update real quick, guys. I've added back a count that I had taken off yesterday, but I went ahead and added it back because there is a possibility that we got a ABC with a truncated fifth for our C wave, which would be this A, B, 1, 2, 3, and then this WXY that I had on there for our 4 wave, and then this possible 5th wave down. In order for that to be validated, we have got to have a 5 wave impulse off of the low here, something like this, and then a 3 down, and then an impulse back up above wherever that 5th would top at. That would start to indicate to me that that is a possible scenario, that we potentially did get a truncated 5th, in the original ABC count that I had. So that's one bullish scenario. The second bullish scenario is that this is indeed a WXY, and it is completed. And then we have a 1 up here, a 2 down here, and then we'll need a 3, a 4, and then a 5. And this structure, if we got this, would be a leading diagonal, which would be a 5 wave structure. You would have your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4, and then your 5. And like always, you would still need to have, once you get that, an ABC, and then an impulse breaking back above the top of that 5th wave. So there's some bullish scenarios that are really starting to rear their head. And I say bullish, I'm talking immediate bullish. Ultimately, I'm bullish regardless, even if this count is the WXY and we're working on our ABC, and then we have one more final wave down, that's still bullish. It's short-term bearish because obviously we would anticipate a rejection, somewhere up here, and then breaking our low and heading down to, 24, 25K-ish before we impulse back up in our wave 3. So both scenarios ultimately are bullish. One is immediate bullish, meaning that we already have our low in, here, or the other one being that we, still break the low, but turn up after we break the low. So really, as long as we don't break our, the heart of our support down here at 21.5, 22K, I'm ultimately leaning for this to be a 1-2-1-2 setup, and we'll be onto our 3 of our 3rd wave here shortly. So that's ultimately what I'm thinking for now, but I just wanted to bring that to your guys' attention, that it is possible that we did have a truncated 5th down here as our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we are starting a new impulse up, which could potentially be the start of our 3rd wave. That 3rd wave is projecting to take us over 40K, closer to 50, possibly 60K, depending on, if it extends or, what the price action ends up looking like. But at this point, I'm anticipating us to start our 3rd wave sooner than later, regardless. So that's my current opinion here, and that's, what I'm looking for. I would still have to say at this point, my primary is that we do end up getting rejected, and that this is, a WXY, and this is an ABC, and then we get rejected here. That's still my primary, if you want to call it that. But I am certainly open to changing, and I reserve the right to change my bias at any time. So I'll keep you all updated. See y'all later.